What did it feel like to hit that son of a bitch?
Felt great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, champ.
Oh.
What's the matter? Hey, wait a minute.
I forgot to close the door to the basement, and Zach had a bad fall.
You all say the same thing. The kid fell down the steps. Don't you have anything better to say than that?
It's true! Look, I don't have to justify myself to you! You don't have any right talking to me like that!
Hey, how you doing? You must be the Mr. Kimball we hear so much about.
You're a dick! Oh. You hit the kid, I hit you.
You bastard!